Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm TJ, the creative behind TJ's Magic Touch. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video will be very simple, straight to the point. I am making a few gingerbread theme yarn trees to go with my Christmas decor. I started with the frames of these Dollar Tree tinsel trees. I have 3 of them. I actually have quite a few of these, but I'm only doing 3 for this video. I personally am not a super fan of buffalo check or tinsel. Don't come after me, I know. But anyway, I got these trees last season, not this season, and this season I decided to do something with them. So the yarn that I am using is from Hobby Lobby. It is 30% off pretty much all the time. The red is really soft, super chunky. It would be nice to make one of those blankets with. And the tobacco color is also really soft, just not quite as chunky. And again, that price tag is not what you pay when you actually go inside Hobby Lobby. So what I like to do is look for the end of my yarn at the butt of the skein and then pull from there. I've seen people do the yarn trees starting from the bottom. I just can't wrap my head around starting from the bottom, so I started from the top over the point, hot glued and wrapped around until I got to the bottom. That does not mean you can't start from the bottom. This is just the way that I chose to do it. Same as they actually make paper mache cones, they have styrofoam cones, they have floral cones. You can pretty much use any cone shape to do this tree. You can even take poster board, you know, like how you make the old school style party hats, and you can use poster board as the base for your yarn trees. I just used what I had on hand, which was the Dollar Tree tinsel trees, as well as this yarn that I use for several different projects this season, and I made the trees. Just for a little commentary of what I was sizing, I decided in the middle of making this tree that I wanted it to be a little bit taller than the 2 gingerbread color trees that I was making after. So I took 2 of those styrofoam floral discs from $1.25 tree. They come 2 in a pack together, but I did open the pack up to hot glue the 2 discs together, and then I hot glued that to the base of the tree, and that gave the tree a little bit more height so that all 3 trees will have a little bit different dimensions to them. I decided to go with just the 3 large buttons for this tree and use the smaller ones in a different project. I will show you guys how this looks mixed in with my Christmas decor, but for right now, here is a finished look of all 3 trees. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, share because sharing is caring, and until next time, bye y'all.